Okay, great. So, who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer, Abda Parveen.
कौन सा गाना पसंद है उनका?
Uh, it's a very old song. Shetiyawi Ventaviva Naitame.
मैं मर गई हाँ, वाह. Okay, और who's
Then the
your?
other one, Chaudhary Ki Raat, Chaudhary Ki Chand.
Lovely. And who's your favorite actor these days?
I think it's the guy holding the camera by the name of Ahsan Khan. I like his style and I don't know, there's something about him that the other guys don't have.
Oh, wow, thank
What
you.
it is, I can't pinpoint it, but at least what he is behind the camera, he is in front
Maybe
of
a
you
cute
also.
smile.
He
Okay.
doesn't, when he comes out of the studio, he's not an actor, he's a human being.
Oh, wow, thank you very much. Okay,
That's very
great.
important.
We'll move on. And tell me who's your favorite international actor or the film you like, you film want to watch?
Oh, you can wake me up from sleep and say there's a Van Damme movie on.
Wanda?
Yeah,
Okay.
Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Great, lovely. Okay.
The favorite one was what? Hard Target, I think.
All right.